He was poor with his mind, poor intellectual knowledge, but the another son Azim Shah was clever. So now the minister thought that if we appoint Azimun Shah as the new king, he will make us follow the rules. But if we make Jahandar Shah as the new king, he will follow our rules. He will follow our guidance. So Zulfikar Khan and other ministers also influenced Jahandar Shah to kill his own brother Azimun Shah. He killed him and he became the new ruler. Now with this, the puppet rule of Mughal started. He killed his own brother Azimun Shah. But with the help of whom he killed his own brother? Zulfikar Khan. So in return, Zulfikar Khan must demand something from Jahandar Shah. So he demanded to become the Wazir. And Wazir is the Prime Minister of the empire. Similarly, he will be the President, a puppet king, and Zulfikar Khan, Wazir. So all the decisions, rules will be made by Zulfikar Khan, but only the sign of Jahandar Shah will be there, or the stamp of Jahandar Shah will be on the rules. So Zulfikar Khan tried to overcome the problem of financial. There was a lot of financial loss during the time of Aurangzeb, as he spent 25 years fighting with Marathas. Banda Bahadur and Bahadur Shah also fought together. 13 crore money also wasted in that war. So Mughals were facing a lot of financial problem. So Zulfikar Khan made out a way to overcome this problem. He abolished jizya and he introduced a new system of tax, Ijra system. In Ijra system, the king will take all the Jagirs back to his own. Do you all know the meaning of Jagir? Jagir is a piece of land owned by a king and he give it to some person, and that person will collect tax from the people and also maintain an army over that land. That is known as Jagir. So now Zulfikar Khan take back all the Jagir from all the peoples, and he called all the peoples who are interested to take the land under the Ijra system, and in it they have a auction system. Whoever the person will give more amount of tax to a king will get the land. So Zulfikar Khan presented an auction among the people. Suppose I am the Zulfikar Khan, I have called you all. Now the auction will start. Suppose he said that I will give you 100 rupees per year. He said I will give you 120. Someone from the behind said I will give you 200 per year. So obviously I will give land to him, and the time period of this auction will valid only till 1 year. After 1 year the auction will again held. But the thing here was, after 1 year Jahandar Shah was killed and Zulfikar Khan have to get rid of his position, removed by the new king. So the system was good. Ijra system was good. Mughals were coming out of their financial losses. But the son of Azimun Shah, the brother of Jahandar Shah, killed Jahandar Shah to take revenge of his father. Similarly, the new king came after Jahandar Shah, that is known as Farrukh Sayyar, in the year 1713 to 1719. He took the help of two persons called as Sayyar brothers. These are also known as the kingmakers of the Mughal Empire.
Don't forget to subscribe to our new channel SSB Short Plus for exclusive new videos. Also follow us on Instagram for all the latest updates. Check out a Short guide to crack SSB on Amazon. The link is in the description below.